Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to update bulk users in Moodle. This method is useful for making changes to multiple user accounts quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, prepare the CSV file with the user information you want to update. Remember to enter the following headers in the first row: username, email, and the column you want to update. In my case, this is the Course 1 header, as I want to update it to enroll the user in the course. Make sure the information is correct, and get the short course name and enter it in the column. Download the file as CSV. Now, let's upload the CSV file to Moodle to update the user accounts. Click on Site Administration in the navigation menu. Under the Users tab, click on Upload Users. Click on Choose a File and select the CSV file you created. Click on Upload Users. In the Upload settings, select Update Existing Users Only. Choose Yes in the Match on Email Address. Scroll down and click on Upload Users to complete the process. Moodle will process the CSV file and update the user accounts accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update bulk users in Moodle. This method allows you to efficiently manage user information and ensure your Moodle site is up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.